Hey guys!
Hi beautiful angels, I'm Queen and you can call me Queenie, and this is my first video ever, so I hope you guys gonna enjoy our video concept. So we have a special guest today, which is Milkiss밀키스.
Hi people, I'm Milkiss밀키스 from Korea. I make beauty videos and I make lifestyle videos in Korea and in Singapore because I live in Singapore. Let's get started.
Yay!
I'm gonna use my foundation first. Are you
Yeah.
gonna use your foundation too?
I don't know because I normally am not using foundation.
Oh,
I only
you
use
have
like
really good
concealer.
skin.
No, I mean like you have a
Yeah.
really good skin. Like, do you usually like use primer?
No, because sometimes I'm allergic to it.
But she's already have good skin, you guys. Oh my god.
It's uncomfortable with foundation here. Once you go out, it all melts down.
And in Korea, I think people like to use like cushion.
The moisturizing kind, the
Oh.
dewy finish.
Oh, like the cushion is really popular here in
Mhm.
Vietnam too.
Are you using real techniques?
Yeah, I have like the beauty blender too, but I think it's too soft.
Actually, I like this better too.
Oh really?
Yeah, but
And
I
it's
got
cheaper.
sponsored.
Like, oh really?
Oh, sorry guys, I have flu today. It's too hot and here got many mosquitoes. And I think mosquitoes, they love me. Like, and I heard that they like blood type O, which
Really?
is me.
Me too. So how was it Vietnam?
I think people here is more kind than what I expected. It's time for me to do my brows.
And me too. Like after like foundation and concealer,
Oh.
I always like do my eyebrow first.
I see. I like to do my eyebrow before I contour my face.
So what kind of product like you use like in your everyday routine?
I think in Korea the makeup, our own makeup brand is cheaper than the overseas brands. Yeah, so we like to use our own, and actually it suits us better, the skin tone and the eyeshadow colors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
But-
soft and
Yeah,
cute
soft and
and
cutesy. Yeah, but I think I like to use my eyebrow. I like to use like overseas brand for my eyebrow.
So like you saying that Korean people like natural?
It really depends.
Oh,
They used to like natural look, but these days they also like stronger looks too. Yeah.
Vietnamese people are like obsessed with like Korean makeup,
Oh yeah, I heard that.
especially like K-pop
Oh, yeah,
groups.
yeah. What is your favorite food in Vietnam?
Actually, I'm Vietnamese, but I don't like pho at all.
Oh,
Is it like
really?
weird to say? Yes.
Everyone in this world, they like pho.
I don't know. It's
Oh.
kind of weird for me. Yeah. But I like Korean food, like fried chicken
Oh,
with
I
like chili
see.
sauce.
Korean chicken is the best.
So, what do you think about the makeup style in Korea and in Vietnam?
I think the color that we like is pretty similar because I see that a lot of Vietnamese like brown shade, like MLBB. Koreans, we used to like coral and pink, orange, those bright color like pastel. But nowadays, people like neutral, brown, deep colors. I
Yes,
really
yeah.
like your eyelashes.
It's
I
like
love it.
it's a fake one. So,
Yeah, it's fake ones, but it looks really natural.
so what kind of fake eyelashes?
Like this
Oh.
kind, like cut off kind.
Oh,
Yeah.
maybe this one is like natural.
Yeah,
they have
but-
natural effect.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But I usually wear like only one at the end.
Oh,
Yeah.
So it's gonna like longer your eyes.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Have you ever tried like the black eyeshadow?
No.
No?
Never tried.
Oh.
Maybe next time when we meet again, you should do my makeup.
Yeah, I will do. I will transform her, you guys.
What is your favorite color to use on your eye?
The neutral one, like the brown shade or orange, and like sometimes if I want to go like intense, I usually go for like black.
You should make video about like how to use black eyeshadow
Yeah.
because it's really hard. What should I do next?
So what do you want to do like a makeup look?
For today's look?
Yeah, for today look.
Yeah, maybe my everyday look, but a bit different. Maybe I can play with some glitters. Yeah.
Okay. I want to see you in glitter, like.
Oh, I'm just gonna put a little bit, not too much.
Okay.
Think, what did you use on your eyes? Like the glitter?
Okay,
Oh,
yeah,
it's the
glitter.
pigment.
I was really surprised
Oh,
with
yeah.
like the pigment because it's well like the Korean brand, right?
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
why
I
I'm
think
really
this one is
surprised.
really-
I think it looks really good on you, the shade and the glitter.
So how long have you been in the YouTube industry?
3 years. I didn't try many different concepts. Yeah, but after that I realized that I have to try many different things and break my comfort zone.
Yeah.
To get better.
Or have you ever felt like you are giving up?
Yes, I think every 3 months I get that point that I want to give
Oh.
up. Every 3 months. So sometimes I want to give up, but I know that I really love this job.
I think it's like problem for every YouTuber.
Yeah, same.
Because I want to start my YouTube
Channel,
career.
right.
Yeah, like I don't know if people gonna like my content or not. So
I think people will because you're good at makeup, and I can see passion in you too. And I
Yeah.
think you have that very, I don't know, very sexy face that people like, very trendy look. I
Oh.
guess if you start your channel, I'll be watching you.
Yeah.
The first subscriber.
First subscriber.
Yes.
I rarely have a chance to buy Korean products, so I want to like learn more about.
I think you should come to Korea, then I can like bring you around.
Yeah, it would be like so fun.
Yeah. Do you like snow?
I mean, I never like experienced snow, so I don't know
Oh,
if I like
really?
it or not. Yes.
You haven't?
No.
Snow is really fun, especially if you are with your boyfriend. I think snow is something that makes everything more romantic.
So I think I'm gonna go to like contour.
Like, how do you contour your face?
This one like under my cheek.
Under
and
your
then,
cheekbones.
Yeah, and
I
then around my
see.
forehead.
Because in Korea, we don't normally like do this. We like to cover our cheekbones.
Oh.
Yeah. In Korea, if you have like big cheekbones, people doesn't really like that look.
I'm gonna contour my nose with this product too.
Teach me how you contour your nose. I think I'm not so good at contouring my nose.
This part?
Oh,
So
side
I
of your
just-
nose.
Yeah. Just like
And then bring it up.
yeah, bring it down
Oh.
to like the tip of your nose. I want my nose like
Oh,
smaller.
just
yeah.
smaller. Okay.
So if you put it like spread all the nose, it's gonna like look bigger. Now moving on to blush, egg lips.
Yeah, egg
is it popular in Korea?
Popular online brand. This brand is really cheap, so it's cheap, but the quality of this brand is good.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So many students like that brand. Many YouTubers like to use that.
So next part, I'm going to do my highlighter. I love like doing my highlighter like in the corner of the
Ooh.
eyes. Yeah, this
That
palette
one
is like
is
from Sleek.
pretty.
It's really pigmented.
Oh,
I mean, you wanna try? Like, yeah.
can I?
Yes. And yeah,
Oh,
corner of your eyes. Yeah, really.
Oh, I like this. Can I, where did you buy this?
Online. Yeah.
Online,
Like people
okay.
in Vietnam like to shop online too,
Yeah.
and mostly because they cannot buy the original product here. Because they
I
they don't
see.
have the store here, and they only have like the big brand.
You guys don't have Sephora here?
No, I
Yeah,
wish
what?
we have, but we don't have.
Korea doesn't have to.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
But I thought like Southeast Asia country they have.
Oh, I don't know why like Korea don't have Sephora.
Right?
Yeah,
I don't know
because
why too. Because we love cosmetics.
yeah, or maybe like they focus on like the local
Korean.
brand.
I see. I'm gonna use this cream blusher on my cheeks.
Wow, that looks so creamy.
I like to do like cute cheeks,
Yeah.
like Japanese style kind.
But I noticed that many Korean don't like use blush, like powder blush. They
Oh
all-
yeah.
Yeah, they do like creamy blush. And,
Yeah. I like to put it a lot.
I'm done with my face. Only the lips.
It's fun to watch you putting makeup because it's so different than mine.
Me too.
Yeah.
I never like met a Korean girl doing
Oh.
a makeup. I mean, I thought that only they do like cushion
Oh,
and eyebrows and lips. That's it. But like seeing you
actually,
like
yeah, we put a lot of effort on our makeup. Like what I said, natural makeup takes more effort. You know
Yeah.
those no makeup
oh no
look?
makeup look. Oh my god, it's
Yeah,
like
it
take
takes
a
more.
yeah.
effort. Then I like to put a bit of my nose too, so that I look like I'm really blushing.
Oh okay.
So like shy girl look.
She's already married, you guys. Can't believe it. Yeah.
My husband is old people. He's old, and he doesn't like me calling him old, but he is old.
He's not Korean, right?
He's not Korean. He's
Yeah.
Singaporean,
Mhm.
and I like Singaporean guys. Ani. Only one guy.
So what is the difference between boys in Korea and
Singapore.
yeah?
I think Singaporean guys and Korean guys are really similar.
No, I
treat
mean like I
people.
saw some of your like Korean dramas like
Oh.
handsome boy and taking care of his girlfriend
Actually,
and
that could be just drama, you know.
oh man.
It really depends.
Mm.
Yeah, it depends on the guy's personality.
So
Yeah,
it's not always like the charming prince.
Yeah, but I think Korean guys they are romantic.
But you're still into Singaporean.
Oh yeah, one Singaporean guy.
One, just
Yeah,
one.
just one. Yeah, I'm gonna do my lips and I'm finished.
Yeah, me too.
I like to use two different colors, so I'm gonna use this for my base.
And I always do like a lip gloss.
Oh,
Yeah, on the top because I want my lips to be like
to be like glossy.
yeah glossy. And
Oh.
you know the glossy trend that
Yeah. I like glossy lips. But then Vietnamese girls they were telling me that Vietnamese people like matte lips because they wear mask.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I'm done. So we are finished. You guys?
Yeah, we are finished.
Yeah.
It was really fun. It was fun to talk about random things. with
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Seeing you doing your makeup.
Yeah,
since
me
we have
too, me
different,
too.
Yeah, styles.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
guys have fun with us, please like and share.
This
and
video.
and subscribe to this channel and our channel.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.